Story Nest.
Sammy the Starfish, with his bright purple arms and perpetually cheerful grin, wiggled excitedly next to Ollie the Octopus. Ollie, a master of disguise with shimmering blue skin that shifted with his moods, adjusted his large, curious eyes, eager for their promised adventure. Today was the day they would explore the Whispering Reef, a part of the ocean their older siblings had only spoken of in hushed, reverent tones, a place said to hold coral castles taller than any kelp forest and treasures that sparkled like captured starlight. With a silent agreement, Sammy propelled himself forward with small, determined movements, while Ollie unfurled his tentacles, gliding effortlessly through the clear turquoise water. Schools of tiny silver fish darted around them like living confetti, their scales catching the sunlight filtering from the surface. The seabed below was a tapestry of colorful anemones swaying gently in the current, and smooth, round pebbles that looked like forgotten jewels. As they ventured deeper, the sunlight began to dim, casting long, dancing shadows that made the swaying kelp forests appear like mysterious underwater giants. Strange and wonderful creatures emerged from the gloom, fish with glowing scales, crabs with shells adorned with tiny living gardens, and graceful sea turtles with ancient knowing eyes. Ollie, never one to miss an opportunity for fun, momentarily turned a vibrant shade of green to blend in with a passing patch of seaweed, much to Sammy's amusement, whose laughter echoed as tiny bubbles. Suddenly, through a cluster of towering brain coral, a breathtaking sight unfolded before them. It was the Whispering Reef, and indeed, it lived up to its name. A colossal castle made of luminous coral stretched towards the surface, its spires and archways adorned with glowing pearls and delicate fan-like sea plants that seemed to hum with a soft, ethereal melody. Colorful fish with long flowing fins flitted in and out of the castle windows like tiny jewels in motion. Drawn by an irresistible curiosity, Sammy and Ollie swam closer to the coral castle. They explored its many chambers, each one more enchanting than the last. In one room, they found a collection of shimmering seashells that sang different tunes when held to their ears. In another, they discovered chests overflowing with glittering coins and necklaces made of polished stones that radiated a warm, gentle light. Sammy even found a small, perfectly smooth stone that glowed with a soft blue hue when he held it tight. Their underwater journey had led them to a place beyond their wildest dreams, a secret treasure trove hidden within the heart of the Whispering Reef.